We need more vlogs, and that's the bottom line. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. Thank you for sticking around. Before we get any started, I just want to say thank you to our very first super chat. I didn't think this was something that this channel was capable of, and yeah, we received our first super chat. Thank you so much. Kevin, I believe your name is, and I super appreciate it. The message attached to it was more vlogs. Here we are, we're making more vlogs. Sort of got busy with life and kind of brother season transitioning into pumpkin spice season here in Lake Tahoe. Been kind of busy doing other stuff, going to events and kind of preparing for winter here. Chopping up wood and getting the house ready, winterizing things. But yeah, we're still maintaining. Okay, before we go any further, thank you again very much, super chatter. Kevin, I believe your name is. Much appreciated. I also never really gotten or said thank you to all the orders and like support from that end. That's insane. You guys are fucking crazy. Thank you so much for all the orders, the tagging on Instagram, like mentioning shit, like everything. Thank you. It means a lot to me. Keeps me motivated to keep this shit wagon moving in some sort of direction. Along that similar vein to that, thank you to subscribing, to watching, to everyone. The channel's almost hit 6,000 subs, which is fucking crazy. It's almost hit 1 million views overall, which is also fucking crazy. So thank you all very much. Whether you are a part of the two-wheel community or not, most of you probably are. Yeah, I appreciate it so much. I hope to share the road with all of you at some point in time in this life, or at least like have a beer or something. Okay, yeah, so it's certainly we are like balls deep into pumpkin spice season here. Brother season has quickly diminishing away, quickly freezing away from us. We got our first snowstorm not too long ago. Once the snow starts hitting the pavement, it gets really discouraging to ride bikes, that sort of thing. So I've been I went to a kind of like a supercar hill climb event in Virginia City. That was a lot of fun. Been messing around with winterizing the house, chopping up some wood, building some log racks. Yeah, doing pumpkin spicy things. And yeah, I was kind of like thinking about this, you know, like, oh, these vlogs or whatever, like, should they have some sort of like motivational message and or some shit? And like, that's all good. Like that's wonderful stuff. We all sometimes from time to time need a little push in the right direction, but also like, there's so much of that shit, like, right? We all know we need to exercise more and eat healthier and all that. So instead, what I'm going to do is say this. Just because it's taking time doesn't mean it's not happening. Take your time, plan it out. It'll get done in due time. So there's your motivating, I don't know why I keep hitting things. There's your motivating message. If that's not why you're here, but you're welcome. Thank you. And that's the bottom line. Okay. All right.
What?